हेलो दोस्तों, रामसिर्स एकेडमी ऑफ मैथ्स में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का सेकेंड लेक्चर, इन विच वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस विथ ऑपरेशंस ऑन कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर। द बेसिक ऑपरेशन विच आर एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शंस, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन will discuss in this lecture for a complex number. So before starting with this lecture, I request you all to subscribe our channel if not subscribed till now. Let's start with the question. So before starting with the question, let's revise introduction of the complex number, which we also discussed in a previous lecture. The number which is in the form of a plus ib is called as complex number, where this a is a real part of a complex number and ib is a imaginary part of a complex number. And the a and b is always a real number. A and b never be a complex number. A and b are always real number. But जिस रियल नंबर के साथ में i वाला फैक्टर दैट इज आयोटा आ जाएगा, दैट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू इमेजिनरी नंबर और इमेजिनरी पार्ट ऑफ अ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर। एंड i का वैल्यू इज ऑलवेज स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ -1। तो जहां पे भी स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ -1 दिखा, यू कैन रिप्लेस इट बाय आई। सो दिस इज व्हाट द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट और बेसिक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर। याद रखने के लिए यू कैन कीप इन माइंड कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू पार्ट, वन इज अ रियल पार्ट एंड अनदर वन इज अ इमेजिनरी पार्ट। सो these are the two part we have in complex number. So let's start to understand a basic concept related with the standard form. A plus ib is the standard form of any complex number and complex number is denoted by alphabet Z. So Z is equal to A plus ib. Now understand what we write. A and B are real number. So 0 is also a real number. And if value of A becomes 0, then we get Z is equal to 0 plus ib. And 0 plus ib is nothing but equal to ib. So real part becomes 0, then we left with imaginary part. Therefore such number where real part is 0 called as purely imaginary complex number. Understand similarly for case 2, when b is equal to 0, so we get z is equal to a plus I multiply by 0, which is value of b. So completely we are getting a plus 0 because I multiply by 0 gives you 0. So we left with z is equal to a. So now imaginary part is removed. So what we can write down, we are getting answer is purely real. So by this you can keep in mind a concept कि any real number can be expressed in complex number. Like if we have a number z is equal to 5, so we can write down, which is a purely real, we can write on this 5 as 5 plus 0i, which is in the form of complex number. So any real number can be expressed in terms of complex number, but complex number never be expressed as a real number, क्योंकि complex number में i b वाला टर्म होता है, वो कभी हट नहीं रहा है। अगर वो हट रहा है तो ही वो रियल होगा, अदरवाइज नेवर बी रियल. So real number can be expressed in terms of complex number, but complex number cannot be expressed in terms of real number. Always keep in mind this basic concept. Let's continue with the further part. Before starting with the basic operation, understand a concept which you already done in a 10th standard, but वहाँ पे आपने conjugate word use तो किया था, but not for complex number. So here we are using conjugate of a complex number. Understand, if you have any complex number, कोई भी एक complex number लिख रहे हैं, तो generally I am writing the standard form a plus ib. So what you will write on the conjugate of a complex number? Always change the sign of imaginary part. don't change sign of real part. The term which we are getting after changing the sign of imaginary part is called as conjugate of given complex number, and it is denoted by Z bar. सेम जो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर के लिए अल्फाबेट यूज हुआ था उसके ही ऊपर एक लाइन ड्रॉ करना है विच इज कंसिडर एज जेड बार. मतलब जेड इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर एंड जेड बार इज अ conjugate of given complex number. Let understand, if we have a complex number 2 plus 3i, so its conjugate, it's very simple. We are writing z bar is equal to 2 minus 3i. Understand one more, if z is equal to minus 7 plus 6i, so as we discussed, we have to change only sign of imaginary part. So minus 7 minus 6i. This become your conjugate. So with this help, let me complete our question number 2 of the exercise 1.1. So these are the some questions given in textbook and we have to write their conjugate. So conjugate of this first one, which is 3 plus I. For first one ka conjugate, we will write down 3 minus I. Only change the sign of imaginary part. This 3 which we have second question, this 3 can be written as 3 plus 0i, and now we write its conjugate. So we are getting 3 minus 0i or I into 0i, which is nothing but equal to 3. So real number का conjugate same number ही होता है. 3 का conjugate 3, because we are changing the sign of imaginary part. Now for second question done. Third question, again change the sign of imaginary part. So we get square root of minus 5 plus I multiply by square root of 7. This become your conjugate. Moving on this next one, which is minus of square root of minus 5. So we discuss, we can write down this as minus 1 into square root of 5, which gives you answer as minus of square root of 5 साथ में I. Now अब इसके साथ रियल पार्ट है नहीं और वैसे भी अपने को रियल पार्ट का जरूरत नहीं. वी हैव टू चेंज द साइन ऑफ इमेजिनरी पार्ट. तो गिवन क्वेश्चन में साइन माइनस है, सो वी कन्वर्ट इट इनटू प्लस. सो वी आर गेटिंग इट्स कॉन्जुगेट एज प्लस रूट 5i. मूविंग ऑन नेक्स्ट. अगर अभी भी जिसका डाउट है तो अंडरस्टैंड दिस. Next one, you will clear your all the doubts. If we have 5i, we can represent that 5i as 0 plus 5i. Now change the sign of imaginary part for writing conjugate. So we get 0 minus 5i, and 0 minus 5i is nothing but equal to minus 5i. क्योंकि जब आप कॉन्जुगेट लिख रहे हैं तो आपका लेना देना सिर्फ और सिर्फ इमेजिनरी पार्ट के साइन के साथ है. Writing answer for next one, we are getting answer root 5 plus I by changing the sign of imaginary part. Next is sin theta plus I cos theta. So instead of plus we will write on minus to get the answer of conjugate. So we are writing minus I cos theta. So this is what the answer for the conjugate. So let's continue. Now we'll discuss operations on complex number. So what we have operations on complex number. The basic operation, the first one is addition of complex number, subtraction of complex number, multiplication of complex number, as well as the division of complex number. But for doing division of complex numbers, there is not direct division operation we are doing. For doing division operation, we use concept of conjugate. So therefore we discuss conjugate first, so that easily we'll understand how to do division of two complex number. So let's understand an example for addition of a complex number. Let if we have z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i and z2 is equal to 5 plus 6i, and we have to find out answer of z1 plus z2. So simply add them. Z1 is 2 plus 3i and Z2 is 5 plus 6i. So add the like terms. The term which is not having I, add them, and the term which is having I, add them. मतलब रियल को रियल पार्ट के साथ ऐड कर दो और इमेजिनरी को इमेजिनरी के साथ. So we add 2 and 5 gives you 7, plus we add 3 and 6 gives you 9i. So this is what the answer of Z1 plus Z2 we get. And if we do addition of Z2 plus Z1, then also we'll have same answer. Because when we do addition of two number, then which number we are writing first, no matter of it. You can write on Z1 plus Z2 or Z2 plus Z1, meaning one of the same. So this is what the example of addition of two complex number. Let's understand next subtraction of any two complex number. In general, I am writing here two complex number. We have Z1 is equal to 6 plus 7i and Z2 is equal to 3 minus 2i. So let's subtract. We find out answer of Z1 minus Z2. So since we are doing subtraction, use bracket to write them. Because of subtraction we are changing sign, so it's important to use bracket. We get 3 minus 2i. Now in next step we have 6 plus 7i as it is. Due to minus, we change sign of this bracket. Second one we get minus 3, and in next step minus into minus become plus 2i. So now again we add रियल विथ रियल, दैट इज 6 को आप 3 के साथ ऑपरेट करेंगे तो 6 minus 3 gives you plus 3, and 7 you add with 2 gives you 7 plus 2 is equal to 9i. So this is what the answer of 3 plus 2i. And be careful with this. अगर Z1 minus Z2 बोला है तो आपको Z1 ही पहले लिखना पड़ेगा और Z2 ही बाद में लिखना है, because Z1 minus Z2 is never be equal to Z2 minus Z1. So these are the two property also we discussed. Addition में Z1 plus Z2 is equal to Z2 plus Z1, but subtraction में Z1 minus Z2 never be equal to Z2 minus Z1. So let's continue with the next operations, which is multiplication of two complex number. So again we'll assume two complex number. The first we write as Z1 is equal to 3 plus 2i and Z2 is equal to, we write as 6 minus 4i. So multiply. What we get when we multiply? Z1 into Z2 is equal to 3 plus 2i, multiply करना है 3 plus 2i को 6 minus 4i के साथ. So it's a simple bracket multiplication which we are doing from a basic standard. So we multiply 3 with second bracket, which is 6 minus 4i, and plus 2i multiply with 6 minus 4i. So in next step we get answer. Multiply 3 inside, 6 3 6 are 18, plus into minus minus, 3 4 are 12, साथ में i. Next plus 2 multiply with 6 gives you 12, साथ में i. Next plus into minus gives you minus, 4 2s are 8, and I into I gives you I square. So this is what the important step here. In next step we write out 18 minus 12i plus 12i, and this minus 8 as it is, and basic value of I square which we derive. I square का value as we know, I का value होता है square root of minus 1. So by this we can write on I square का value is equal to minus 1. So wherever we have I square, we'll replace it by minus 1. So in next step what we get? 18 minus 12i plus 12i plus 8. So now next step add real with real, which is 18 और 8 को add करेंगे. So 18 plus 8 gives you 26, and this minus 12i plus 12i gives you 0. So we get 0i, which is answer for z1 into z2. So after getting value of z1 into z2, understand one more property. z1 into z2 is also equal to z2 into z1. अगर आप z2 को पहले लिख दोगे और z1 को बाद में, then also you will have same answer. So this is what the example of multiplication. Understand one more, that is for division, the last basic operation, and for division we are using conjugate. So let we have two number, z1 is equal to z1 के जगह पे हम लिख रहे हैं 2 plus 3i and z2 के जगह पे we are writing 1 plus 1i. So let divide them. We are writing z1 divided by z2. z1 is equal to, we have 2 plus 3i whole divided by 1 plus 1i. So whenever you are doing division of two complex number, we do conjugate of denominator. So conjugate of denominator आपको सोचना है, and you will multiply that conjugate of denominator with denominator as well as with numerator. So this is the important step, adjustment we are doing for finding division of two complex number. Now basic operation, multiply numerator with numerator. So we get 2 plus 3i multiply with 1 minus 1i, and in denominator we get 1 plus 1i multiply with 1 minus 1i. So again numerator gives you multiplication of two bracket, means here we can do division. So directly I am doing 2 ones are 2 plus 3 ones are 3i. So हमने 2 और 3i को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी आर गेटिंग माइनस 2i, देन प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस 3i स्क्वायर. एंड इफ यू थिंक अबाउट डिनोमिनेटर में वी आर एबल टू यूज अ फॉर्मूला. आप ब्रैकेट भी यू मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, बट हियर विल डिस्कस अ फॉर्मूला, एंड दैट फॉर्मूला इज a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर विच इज इक्वल टू a plus b and a minus b. So we use that concept. a के जगह पे 1 है और b के जगह पे है I, that is 1i. You can write down I only. So अब न्यूमरेटर में हम मॉडिफाई कर लेते हैं. What we get? We have 2 plus 3i minus 2i, and as we know I square का value is minus 1. Therefore that minus 1 multiplied with 3 gives you plus 3. एंड होल डिवाइडेड बाय गिव्स यू 1 का स्क्वायर 1, और बीच में माइनस है, और 1 का स्क्वायर तो 1 होगा और i का स्क्वायर माइनस. देयरफॉर ओवरऑल आंसर वी गेट हियर minus 1. So in next step what we get, add subtract the like term, that gives you 2 plus 3 gives you 5, and 3 minus 2i gives you 1i whole divided by 1 plus 1, because minus into minus become plus, we get 1 plus 1 that is equal to 2. So this become your division of complex number. और आपको अगर simplify करना है तो you can separate the denominator, you will have the same answer. And one more property you can obtain from this will never be equal to, this z1 upon z2 is never be equal to z2 upon z1. Be careful of this. z1 upon z2 is never be equal to z2 upon z1. So these are the basic operation which is very much helpful for further question of the exercise. So that's it about the operations on complex numbers. Let's start with one question from the exercise in which you use concept of basic operation as well as complex number का basic. Exercise 1.1 question number 2 already हमने discuss कर लिया है. Now I will discuss two questions of question number 1, which is simplify, and the question is, so starting with the solution of this question, we have to simplify this, matlab reduced form of answer we have to write down. So let's start. Under root of 16 we can write down as minus 1 multiplied by 16. Similarly next 3 as it is, multiply minus 1 multiplied by 25. Then minus 36 will be multiplied as minus 1 multiplied by 36, and in next step minus 625 can be written as minus 1 multiplied by 625. Now in next step root 16 is a perfect square, we take out 4 और उसके साथ रूट ऑफ माइनस 1 एज इट इज. 3 पहले से है, 25 का स्क्वायर रूट हो जाएगा 5 मल्टीप्लाई में रूट ऑफ माइनस 1 एज इट इज यू विल राइट डाउन. 36 का परफेक्ट स्क्वायर अगेन यू विल राइट डाउन 6 एंड रूट ऑफ माइनस 1 यू विल राइट माइनस 625 का perfect square you will write on 25 and left with root of minus 1. So root of minus 1 will be replaced by I. So we'll get next step as 4 into I. Root of minus 1 को हटा के I लिखना है. 3 5 15 साथ में I plus 6 root of minus 1 का वैल्यू I minus 25 and root of minus 1 का वैल्यू I. Next step we have this 3 terms with a plus sign, so add them first. 4 plus 15 gives you 19. 19 plus 6 gives you 25I, and we left with minus 25 also. So 25I minus 25I gives you 0. So the answer for the first question, the simplified answer for the first question is 0. Let's discuss answer for second one, which is given to us. So we'll simplify this. We'll write down 4 into under root of minus 1 multiplied by 4. Similarly 5 into under root of minus 1 multiplied by 9. And in next step minus 3 we write as minus 1 multiplied by 16. Now simplify this. 4 is a perfect square, बाहर आके 2 होगा. 4 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई गिव्स यू 8 अंडर रूट ऑफ माइनस 1. 9 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, बाहर आके 5 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो 15 अंडर रूट ऑफ माइनस 1 लेफ्ट. माइनस 16 का परफेक्ट स्क्वायर 4 मल्टीप्लाई विद 3 गिव्स यू 12 अंडर रूट ऑफ माइनस 1 एज इट इज. नाउ यूजिंग दिस कॉन्सेप्ट रूट ऑफ माइनस 1 को रिप्लेस करेंगे I से, दैट गिव्स यू 8I प्लस 15I minus 12I. So again 8 and 5 is plus, add them. So 8 plus 15 gives you 23I minus 12I. So we get 23 minus 12. 3 minus 2 करे 1 आएगा और 2 minus 1 again 1. So we get 23 minus 12 as 11 साथ में. Don't forget to write down I. So this is what the answer for question number 1. 2 questions are there in textbook. We'll discuss that too. It is related with the basic operation. So next lecture we'll meet where we discuss the question related with this basic operation of exercise 1.1. Thank you for watching this video.